Today, we're cooking a traditional and flavorful delicacy, Boti curry. Cooked outdoors over a firewood flame, which adds a delightful, authentic smoky flavor to the dish. This recipe features tender goat offal paired with yellow cucumber and a bold blend of Indian spices. Start by washing the boti pieces twice to clean them thoroughly and remove any smell. So, let's get started and bring this rustic recipe to life. Take a wok and pour in 1 liter of water. Add the boti pieces. We are using 1 kilogram of goat offal or boti for this recipe. Then sprinkle 2 teaspoons of crystal salt and 2 teaspoons of turmeric. These ingredients help eliminate any odor while also tenderizing the meat. Cover and cook on medium flame for about 20 minutes, checking occasionally. Once the boti is soft, drain the water and let it cool. At this stage, you can take a moment to make sure the pieces are clean. This ensures your boti is fresh and ready for cooking. Sprinkle some crystal salt over the boiled boti and wash it well 2 to 3 times under cold running water. If you want, you can also soak it for a few minutes to help loosen any residual odor. Trust me, this step makes a huge difference in the final dish. Now, let's move on to cooking. Place a wok on heat and pour in 5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add a tempting mix of cumin seeds and chana dal. Sauté for about a minute until fragrant. Next, add finely chopped onions and green chilies. Keep stirring and sauté until the onions turn golden and soft. At this stage, toss in a handful of chopped mint and coriander leaves for an extra layer of freshness. Now, we're going to add the tougher boti pieces first. These need a bit longer to cook. Separate them while cleaning to make sure they're cooked evenly. Fry these pieces for about 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Then, add the softer boti pieces and fry everything together for another 10 minutes, ensuring the flavors are well absorbed. You'll notice the pieces turning a lovely golden brown, which is what we want. Sprinkle in a few curry leaves for that distinct aroma. It's time to add some vegetables. We'll add 3 medium-sized yellow cucumbers, peeled and chopped. Saute them for 2 minutes to let them soften slightly. Follow this with 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes and sprinkle in half a teaspoon of turmeric for color and flavor. Now, for the magic touch, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Then, sprinkle in 3 tablespoons of red chili powder and stir everything together to coat evenly. Pour in half a liter of water. Then add 2 teaspoons of crystal salt. Stir well, ensuring all the spices and vegetables are mixed together. Let everything simmer on medium flame for about 10 minutes. This step is essential, allowing the flavors to come together beautifully. The curry will thicken up slightly and the boti will soak in all the spices. Now, we're almost there. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of coriander powder and freshly ground garam masala for that signature spice blend. These 2 ingredients bring everything together in the most flavorful way. Garnish with fresh mint and coriander leaves to brighten up the dish. At this point, you can check the consistency of the curry. If you like it a little thicker, let it cook for a few more minutes. If you prefer it a bit runnier, add a little more water. Now, Let's dish it out and serve hot with steamed rice or soft rotis. This dish is a perfect blend of tradition and bold flavors, and the smoky undertones from the firewood make it even more special. That's it for today's Boti curry. If you try it out, don't forget to share your feedback in the comments below. Let me know how it turned out for you and feel free to ask any questions. Until next time, keep exploring the world of flavors with the golden bites. Happy cooking!